Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out 1099 NEC in TurboTax. So of course, all you have to do is head over to Intuit TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on the search button, and next in the search bar, just search for 1099-NEC, then click on Form 1099-NEC. And from the search results, click on Jump to Form 1099 and EC. This should redirect us to the form. So from here, you'll be asked, did you get a 1099 and EC? And you're going to need to press yes for us to be able to fill out the form. Just answer the questions that is shown in your screen, such as what type of income is in your 1099 and EC. Then proceed. So from here, you're going to need to share details from your 1099 and EC, such as who paid you, your payer's federal ID number formatted into non-employee compensation, federal income tax withheld, and if you have made direct sales totaling $5,000 or more, or if your form has information in boxes 5 to 7. Then once done, just head over and proceed. So from here, you're going to enter what type of work earned this income and proceed. So as you can see, this is our 1099 and easy summary and it is still under review. You can just check back anytime here and if you want to make any changes to the details that you entered. And from here, you can just proceed by clicking on Done button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!